Ever wonder why some anglers seem to catch fish all day, while others struggle? Want to know where the best summer fishing spots are and how to catch more this season? Stick around, I've got tips that can change your game. Before we dive in, hit that like button, share with your fishing buddies, and subscribe for more tips that'll help you catch bigger fish, faster. Alright, let's get into some key summer fishing tips that will help you make the most out of your time on the water. Summer fish are often most active during early mornings or late evenings when the water's cooler. Get out there before the heat hits or as it starts cooling off in the evening to increase your chances. Fish tend to be more selective in summer. Match your bait to what's natural in the area: worms, minnows, or even insects. Choosing the right color and size is crucial, so think like the fish. Summer fishing requires more finesse. Too much noise can send fish packing. Move slowly, cast quietly, and be aware of your surroundings. Alright, let's talk about the best summer fishing spots. Finding the right location can make all the difference. Whether you're at a local lake, a river, or even a coastal area, knowing where to cast your line can lead to a successful day of fishing. So let's dive into some top spots that you should definitely check out this summer. Look for fish in shallow waters, especially near creek mouths where fish are feeding. They're easier to find and often more active. Look for warmer water temperatures near these areas. They're ideal summer spots. When the heat hits, fish move deeper to cooler waters. Look for submerged structures like fallen trees or rocks. Fish hide near these structures, so use a deeper lure or drop your line to those deeper pockets. And now, for the secret sauce to your summer fishing success. Pay attention to the subtle changes in the environment and adapt your techniques accordingly. Whether it's the time of day, the weather, or even the type of bait you're using, small adjustments can lead to big catches. Final thoughts? Keep experimenting and learning. That's the real secret. In summer, water clarity changes. Use brighter lures in murky water and more natural subtle colors in clear water. Your lure color can make all the difference between a bite and a bust. Now you're equipped with some killer tips to make your summer fishing trips a success. Whether you're a pro or a beginner, these tactics can help you catch more and enjoy your time out there. If you found these tips helpful, give us a like, share this with your fishing crew, and don't forget to subscribe for more no-frills fishing content. Thanks for watching, and remember, every cast counts. See you next time.